Hola, this is Sol Gutierrez, and today I want to show you my newest listing in Paraíso del Mar, La Paz, Casa 77. It's fully renovated, has 2 bedrooms, 1 studio, 1 casita, and it's steps from the beach and from the golf course. So come and check it out.
This beautifully maintained home offers 2 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a versatile office that can easily serve as a 3rd bedroom. Lovingly cared by its original owners, the property has been thoughtfully upgraded throughout, creating a true turnkey opportunity. The primary suite provides a comfortable retreat, while the guest bedroom and bathrooms feature quality finishes and plenty of natural light. The recently remodeled living room creates a bright and inviting space. Just off the main living area, you'll find a versatile office that can easily function as a home workspace or additional guest room when needed. The home then opens in the dining area and beautifully updated kitchen, featuring custom cabinetry, upgraded countertops, modern appliances, and plenty of storage for everyday living. Having even more flexibility, the property includes a detached casita with its own bedroom and full bathroom, perfect for guests. Outside, you'll find a spacious garage, golf cart parking, and a beautifully designed backyard, complete with a fire pit, outdoor kitchen, and plenty of room to relax and entertain. Located in the exclusive Paraíso del Mar community, residents enjoy access to resort-style amenities, an incredible swimmable beach, walking distance, an 18-hole golf course, pools, restaurants, and 24/7 security, offering a truly unique lifestyle in La Paz.
Now that you see that Casa 77 has came to the market, please let me know if you want to schedule a tour or if you want to be in contact so that I can send you a virtual tour. And don't hesitate to contact me for any questions.